Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the thrilling prospects of the upcoming June Nintendo Direct. This rare occasion of Nintendo confirming their next presentation almost a full month in advance has us buzzing with anticipation. From big blockbuster titles to anticipated remasters, we'll be discussing everything you might see announced at this event. As 2024's game lineup looks a bit dry, Nintendo historically ramps up its releases as we approach the holiday season. So let's explore what might be unveiled to drive those crucial year-end sales. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Stay updated on all things Nintendo and more. Metroid Prime 2 and 3 remasters. Let's kick things off with a game series that's almost a sure bet, the Metroid Prime 2 and 3 remasters. There's a strong possibility that these could be released as a combo pack, potentially shadow drop during the Direct, similar to how Metroid Prime 1 Remastered was handled. Sources that accurately predicted the Prime 1 Remaster also mentioned that Prime 2 and 3 would get remastered, albeit not to the same high-fidelity extent as Prime 1. Expect modern controls and upscaled visuals, but not a complete overhaul. Metroid Prime 4. Segueing into Metroid Prime 4, this highly anticipated title might finally make its grand appearance with a gameplay trailer. There's a good chance it could be slated for a holiday 2024 release. Given its long development period and the massive Switch user base, Nintendo will likely want to capitalize on this before transitioning to its next-gen console. However, it could also be positioned as a launch title for the Switch's successor. New Mario Party game. A new Mario Party game is another strong candidate for the June Direct. Recent leaks have pointed to a new first-party title with the codename Banquet, which could very well be the next Mario Party installment. Given the absence of DLC for Mario Party Superstars, it's likely time for a fresh entry. Whether it's another collection of past mini-games or an entirely new set, it's bound to be a hit, especially if it's released around the holiday season. F-Zero GX Remaster. Fans of F-Zero have been waiting patiently for any news, and a remaster of F-Zero GX might be in the cards. Nate the Hate's comments suggest that while F-Zero 99 was a fun addition, there's room for a more substantial remaster. Imagine modernized HD visuals, online play, and leaderboards bringing this GameCube classic to the Switch. Kid Icarus. Uprising? Kid Icarus. Uprising could also be making its way to the Switch. The original creator, Masahiro Sakurai, has teased this possibility, and Bandai Namco's involvement in a 3D action remaster hints at this beloved title's return. Playing this gem on a big screen could be a thrilling experience for fans old and new. Pokémon announcements. While Pokémon Legends Arceus 2 is expected in 2025, there's room for other Pokémon surprises in 2024. Whether it's a new Let's Go title, a Pokémon Black and White remake, or another exciting spin-off, Pokémon often has a presence at direct presentations, even if it usually saves the big reveals for its events. Donkey Kong's future. As much as we'd love to see a new Donkey Kong game, it's more likely that DK's return will be tied to the next-gen console. We might see early teasers, but substantial gameplay reveals will probably wait until closer to the new hardware's release. Kirby and Stretchmo updates. Recent trademarks for Kirby and the Rainbow Paintbrush and Stretchmo suggest we might see updates or new entries for these titles. Whether it's through innovative use of the Joy-Con's motion controls or new gameplay mechanics, these games could add some delightful variety to the Direct's lineup. The Legend of Zelda. The Legend of Zelda franchise is another heavyweight we anticipate seeing. Whether it's long-rumored ports of Wind Waker and Twilight Princess HD, a new 2D Zelda game, or even an entirely new adventure with Zelda herself as the protagonist, the franchise is ripe for exciting announcements. Any Zelda-related news will undoubtedly generate a lot of buzz. Conclusion. As we gear up for the June Nintendo Direct, the excitement is palpable. From potential remasters to brand new entries in beloved franchises, there's a lot to look forward to. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited about and which predictions you think will come true. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with all the latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.